The iPhone 17 Pro Max, top leaked surprises that'll blow you away, might actually end up blowing people away for the wrong reasons. With Apple's big reveal just around the corner, the leak suggests that the company's so-called next big thing could be more about compromises than real innovation. Starting with the design, Apple has chosen a bulky new camera bump that stretches across the top of the device. Instead of streamlining the look, it makes the phone appear heavier and less refined, with sensors and flash awkwardly shifted to one side. Even more puzzling is Apple's decision to move away from titanium and go back to aluminum for the Pro models. After promoting titanium as a breakthrough just 2 years ago, this reversal feels like a downgrade disguised as progress. Camera upgrades sound ambitious on paper, but even here, the changes don't necessarily impress. The Pro Max is rumored to carry a 48-megapixel telephoto sensor with 5 to 8 times zoom, which may sound great, but rivals like Samsung have already offered stronger zoom ranges for years. Apple seems to be playing catch-up rather than leading. On the front, the selfie camera doubles from 12 megapixels to 24 megapixels. While technically an upgrade, megapixel counts don't always equal better photos, and without meaningful software innovation, this could turn into yet another numbers game. The decision to extend antennas around the new camera bump looks more like a workaround than a genuine improvement. If Apple needed to change antenna placement to maintain signal strength, it only highlights that the new design is more of a problem than a solution. Meanwhile, the color lineup introduces another shade of blue and a bold orange, but fresh paint can't mask the fact that Apple is recycling the same palette strategy every year. The supposed display improvements also deserve scrutiny. Nano-texture glass, borrowed from Macs and iPads, may reduce glare, but it comes with added fragility and potential fingerprint issues, which have already been complaints on other devices. The Pro Video app leaks promise dual recording and even 8K capture, but most users don't need these features, and phones that already support 8K have shown it drains storage and battery alarmingly fast. It feels like Apple is adding features for the sake of marketing rather than practicality. Battery upgrades are overdue, but even here, Apple lags. A 5,000 milliamp hour battery for the Pro Max and 3,700 milliamp hour for the Pro may finally bring them closer to competitors, but brands like Xiaomi and Samsung have offered larger batteries for years. The addition of a vapor cooling system sounds impressive until you realize it's essentially Apple admitting their devices overheat under pressure. For a company that prides itself on efficiency, this is not a good look. Apple's September 9th event will confirm everything, but pricing tells its own story. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to start at $1,099 and the Pro Max at $1,199, the same premium range despite questionable decisions. With less innovation and more recycled ideas, the iPhone 17 series risks being remembered as one of Apple's most underwhelming releases